Dear students, in this video we will discuss about class 6 Oxford New Learners Grammar and Composition. Check your progress 2. Okay, page number 105. So if you have not watched the previous chapters, so here look at the screen. Okay, so you can go to the playlist section and also watch. Okay, so here write the past and past participle forms of the following verbs. Okay, so here V1 is already provided. V1 first form of the verb. You have to write V2 and V3. V2 means simple past and V3 past participle. Okay, so here first arrive. So you have to write here okay, arrive, arrived, arrived. Okay, here V1 arrive, V2 arrived, V3 arrived, past participle. Then next bring. So bring simple present. Okay, V1. Then past brought, brought. Then next caught, same, caught, caught, caught. Then next doubt. Okay, V1 doubt and past V2 doubted and past participle doubted. Okay, then next entertain. You have to just add ed. Okay, entertained, entertained. Okay, then next fight. Okay, simple past will be fought, fought, FOUGST. Okay, fought, fought. Then next haunt, V1, V2 haunted, haunted. Just you have to add ed. Okay, then next imagine. So imagine V1, V2 means simple past, imagined, and past participle will also same, imagined. Then next lever. Okay, V2, that means simple past will be labored, past participle will also be same, labor. Just you have to add ed. Okay, ed. Then next rise. Okay, rise, V1 simple present. Okay, present, and rose, risen, V2, this is V3. Clear? Then next here fill in the blanks in the following sentences with appropriate forms of the verbs given in brackets. Okay, that means you have to now follow the rules of the subject and verb agreement. So here the first one, both my mother and my sister dash in Chennai. So here both and conjunction is used, and here my mother, my sister, they are both different person. So here the subject is plural, so the verb must be plural. You have to write live, not lives. Okay, both my mother and my sister live in Chennai. Then next, neither this bag nor this book dash to me. So here you have to use subject and verb agreement rule. So here you have to, when the sentence is joined by conjunction neither nor, you have to follow the nearer or the second noun. If the second noun is plural, then the verb must be plural. If the second noun is singular, then the verb must be singular. So here this book refer to this is singular, so you have to write belongs. Okay, so here if the question acts like neither this book nor these, neither this bag nor these books. Okay, so you have to write belong, not belongs, because here the nearer subject, this is plural. If the subject is plural, then the verb must be plural. Okay, belong, not belongs. Clear? Then next here, not only my neighbors but also my best friend. Yes, so here the sentence is joined by not only but also. Similarly, here the same rule will be applied. That means you have to follow the second noun. So here the second noun is singular, my best friend, and here the bracket verb is have is provided. So you have to write has. Why? Now because the second noun is singular. Okay, not only my best friend but also my neighbors. So you have to use your have. But here not only my neighbors but also my best friend has. You have to follow the nearer noun. My best friend singular, so the verb must be singular. Clear? Then next, either Nitin or I dash driving here. Also same rule. You have to follow the second noun or pronoun. So here I. Okay. So you have to write am, not is, because here the second nearest nearer pronoun singular I. So you have to write am. So here if the question likes asks here either I or Nitin, you have to write is. Okay. If the question asks here either I or Nitin is driving here, you have to write. Okay, but here the question asks either Nitin or I am driving the car. Clear? The next here, many persons I know. Here many persons, that means we have to use the verb according to you have to use the verb for many person, not for I, many person plural. So here the prefer should be used here as the verb is provided, prefer. Okay, so here subject is plural, so the verb must be plural, prefer, not prefers. Then next, one of the students dash requested to meet the officer in charge. Yes, so if a sentence starts with like the phrase one of the, each of the verb must be singular, not plural. One of the students is requested, not are requested. Clear? Then next, every questions. Yes, so here, so if a sentence start with like each, every, the verb must be singular, not plural. Every question in this test paper needs to be answered, not needs, singular. The next, Ajit dash reported the theft to the police through the thieves. Here Ajit singular. So first have is given. So you have to write here has. For Ajit we use has. But police through the thieves have not. Okay. So thieves is plural. So you have to use here have not been. Okay. Passive form, have not been caught yet. Clear? Everyone from the class. So here similarly, if a sentence start with everyone, everybody, then the the verb must be singular, not plural. Everyone from the class has informed about the competition, not have informed, has informed. You dash requested to take your seats. Be verb is given, so you. Okay, so you have to write here are. You are requested to take your seat. If suppose here he is provided, so you have to write he is requested to take his seats. Clear? Then next, rewrite the following sentences as directed. Here the first one, does Amit go to school by bus? So you have to change into negative sentence. Here the sentence is written in yes no questions. Okay, so here the negative will be, okay, doesn't Amit go to school by bus? Just you have to add not after auxiliary verb, does, then you have to just add not after does. Doesn't Amit go to school by bus? Okay, so if you can also change in different ways. You have to first change into affirmative. Does Amit go to school by bus? So you have to write here Amit. Okay, Amit goes to school by bus. Goes to school, okay, by bus. Then you have to change into negative. Amit does not go to school by bus. Amit does not go to school by bus. So just you have to, okay, bring does not to the beginning of the sentence. Does not Amit go to school by bus? Clear? First you have to change into affirmative, then you have to change into negative, then negative interrogative. Clear? So here the sentence is written in negative interrogative. Doesn't Amit go to school by bus? As the instruction says here, you have to change into negative. Okay. Then next here, does Adil travel to Lucknow by train? So you have to change into affirmative sentence. Yes, here the simple present tense is used. You have to write Adil travels to Lucknow by train. Clear? Then next, I speak Spanish. So you have to change into yes no question. So first you have to identify the tense of the sentence. I speak means here simple present tense is used. Okay, so we use do or does for simple present to change into yes no question. Yes, so here do you speak English, not does. If subject is he is provided or she is provided or any third person singular like Rohan, Sital, then you have to use does. Does Sital speak English? Does he speak English? Does Rohan speak English? Clear? The next here, Manvi likes Western rock music very much. You have to change into negative sentence. Yes, here you have to identify the tense of the verb. Here simple present. Yes, you have to add a do not or does not. So here Manvi third person singular, so you have to add does. Manvi does not like Western rock music very much. Clear? Then next here, my sister lives in Colombo. So you have to change into WH question. First you have to identify which WH word you should use. What, where, when, how, why. So here adverb of place is given. Colombo. Colombo is adverb of place. So where should be used here. Okay. And tense is simple present. So you have to write where does your sister live. Clear? Not lives. Where does your sister live. Okay. Then next here, isn't Mount Everest located in Nepal? You have to change into affirmative sentence. Okay. So the sentence is written in a negative interrogative sentence. You have to change into affirmative. Affirmative, suppose take an example. Do you play cricket? Yes, I play cricket. No, I don't play cricket. Yes, I play. No, I don't. Okay. So similarly here, you have to change into yes, no. Yes, Mount Everest is located in Nepal. As the instruction says, you have to change into affirmative. Here the question, asks to get confirm whether yes or no, isn't it? Suppose take an example. Aren't you a student? Yes, I am. Isn't he a student? Yes, he is. Similarly here, isn't Mount Everest is located in Nepal? Yes, Mount Everest is located in Nepal. Clear? So you have to write. Okay. Then next here, Nilesh loves to eat ice cream. So here the sentence, here the tense, simple present. Just here WH word you have to use. Which WH word? What or where or when or how? Here things is used. Okay, what? So you have to use what. What does Nilesh love to eat? Okay. Then next, New Delhi is the capital of India. You have to change into yes no. When we change yes no question, when we form yes no, we have to bring the auxiliary verb to the beginning of the sentence. Similarly, here the auxiliary is. So, here is will come to the beginning. Okay, is New Delhi the capital of India? Clear? Then next, Steven Spielberg directed the film Jurassic Park. So you have to change into WH question. Okay, so you have to write. Okay, you have to write who directed the film Jurassic Park, or you can also write in another way. Which film did? Okay, which film did Steven Spielberg direct? You can also write in this way. Two ways. Who directed the film Jurassic Park? You have to use also question mark at the end. Okay, or which film did Steven Spielberg direct? Clear? Then next, I haven't seen the film. You have to change into yes no. Yes, yes no means just you have to bring the auxiliary verb. Haven't. Okay, so you have to write here haven't you. Okay, haven't. You have to write here haven't you seen the film? Clear? Then next, will you be late for lunch? Negative interrogative, negative sentence. So you have to just bring okay here. Won't you? Okay, won't you be late for lunch? You have to use the question mark at the end. Okay, negative. Here the sentence is written in yes no question. So negative means you have to add not after auxiliary. Auxiliary will. So you have to add not. Won't you? Okay, just you have to change the position of subject and verb. Okay, won't will come to the first, then you. Won't you be late for the lunch? Clear? Then next is Sahin loves to read novels. Okay. Do you know the verb is in simple present? Okay, what does Sahin love to read? Okay, then next, aren't this pair of shoes very old? Do you know here isn't? This is also there is wrong in this question. If a sentence starts with a pair of shoes, a pair of spectacles, then the verb must be singular, is not are. Okay, so here there is a mistake in the question. You have to write this pair of shoes is very old. Affirmative, you have to change into affirmative. Okay, affirmative means you can write you also add here yes, this pair of shoes is very old. Clear? Change the voice in the following sentences. Okay, so this part will be discussed in the next video. Okay, I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.